are too big, my lad. Them we take you for a fool.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. You see me, I say respect to all of my subscribers, them. Respect to everybody who have viewed my channel. And please, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Alright, today we are going to talk about Nation Boss and the violation we might get. You see me, because he went live on TikTok. You see me, I share with him fans them. So, if you don't miss it, I'll show you what I want.
Why you don't want me dead, dog? Them program they when me see when send man come run and them thing they charge you. What kind of meditation them they use? Charge me no do none of no boy, nothing dog. Me no do none of no nothing brother. Me stay in my zone every day, every week, every month, every year, dog. Me stay in my zone, bad man. Me see when I go party, me see when I go all about, and me stay in my zone, me no go party, brother. If a man no book me for perform, me no go outside, brother. If me not work in a studio, me no go outdoor, dog. Charge you, what kind of style them you wanna pull you out? What kind of program you wanna, that's why me don't even trust road, brother. Me no trust nothing you out. You hear me tell you, dog? Yeah, bro, me no forward pan the media with something, brother. Me stay in my zone, yo. And you no see man humble, so you no see man calm, so brother. You no see man just regular daytime. Me just normal a daytime, brother.
Bingy, see it show me. What you gonna do? Bury that.
Yeah, man. Keep it safe, you know?
Real.
Yeah, One Nation.
Viewers and subscribers, as you can see, Nation Boss really upset because them are trying for programming life. You see me? And the artists are telling fans, you see me, and make them know. So you don't know when you see a man come out on the internet or go live with the people. And I make him fans them know what go on with him. That means say him not trust people, you know. You see me I say? That means say the people them with around him can't trust them. You see me? And him life in a jeopardy. You see me I say? And as a talented artist like Nation Boss, I know them say nobody not perfect, but me no see why him a get violation or why him friend them would have want to violate him. So that's why me ask the viewers and subscribers to make me know in the comment section what you think are go on with Nation Boss and him friend them. Is it some type of bad mind? Is it some type of money thing? Or is it because Nation Boss stay to himself and him not par with a bag of man? Listen me people, I don't know what is the situation. I am just asking. You see me I say? Asking viewers and subscribers. You see me? For help me understand if you don't know what is the situation. You see me? Furthermore, you don't know we can't to play Nation Boss song on YouTube because you know YouTube go already. But Nation Boss have a song where say him not just humans. One of the biggest song that to me Nation Boss do, you know. And Nation Boss fi stick to that the code there, you see me? Not just human. Listen to your own song, brother. Cause a whole heap of people on the street and listen to your song. And a whole heap of people on the street I work with that the song there. Live a life just like how that song there go on. You see me? You know, just human and stay far from people. You see me? Once somebody violated one time, don't give them a second chance to violate. You get me I say? Yeah man, because you're a human being, you have life, you're young, you're a talented artist. You're far from going on life, brother. You see me? I swear to God, so just go on, Do it, you hear that? Big up yourself. And just go and keep it pushing. You see me I say? Go and do the good tune them because we need artists like these people. You see me I say? To make we can stay our yard and meditate on the music what him do. You see me? Because to be truth and honest, we not trust human. Brother, a big song that him do, brother. For him meditation, when they are meds, we do that song there. In a day, so. None at all. You see me I say? Because there's no way a man can just get up and do a song, say, him not trust human and become such a big hit. You see me? Because that song is a hit song to me, brother. You see me? Because I always violence, brother. You see me? I have to pray life, You see me I say? And my advice to nation boss, just keep focused, my charge. You see me? You always do it. You're there on the media less. You see me? You know, no bag of mix up. I don't know a little incident and go on now what time. But you see me? Brother, you're a talented artist, you're a culture artist, see me. You see me I say so? Brother, if you have to stick to yourself, if you see your own growth in your career, brother, you do that, brother. And I say it to all of the artists, them. You don't need a bag of man around you. You see me? Yes, you need protection, yes, but you don't need a bag of man around you where we are going to ready eye for your things. You see me? I say, we are going to fight you out and push you out of your own growth, what you make. If I lie, me I tell, and if I foolish, me I talk, viewers and subscribers, please leave it in the comment section. And thank everyone for watching my channel. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead. And blessings to everyone for watching and subscribe. I'm out.